If you're thinking about starting a new business, you might struggle with this question. Do I do it alone or join forces with others? Should I have a partner or join a team? Let me tell you my perspective.
Hi, I'm Dafan the ProfessorZ, your real-life homeless to Ivy League professor, attorney, and serial entrepreneur.
Starting a business solo or join forces with others is a highly individualized question depending on your individual circumstances. I have a unique way to approach this. I start not from the beginning. Rather, I approach it from the worst case scenario, the breakup. Think about your business. If you have a partner or multiple partners, are you so passionate about the business idea that even if others want to quit or stop, you will still want to continue? Would you be willing to be the last one off the ship, so to speak? If so, perhaps you should consider starting a solo business. On the other hand, if you feel that there is no way you can operate this business on your own, and you will be willing to walk away from the business if others want to leave, then you might consider adding one or more partners. You see, breaking up a business is difficult. It is very much like a divorce. Most of the time, assets and things of value are divided amongst partners. In order to keep the business operating, you will have to buy the other partners out. All the business assets will be consolidated and sold off. Therefore, if you are passionate about keeping the business running, you should be very careful about entering into a partnership. Just like a marriage, of course, you can enter into an agreement like a prenup, which allows you to keep the business in case of breakup, but those are complicated and frequently fought over. If you do decide that you must proceed with one or more partners, there are 3 things that you should consider. 1. Choose based on need. Your business is your baby and your wealth. Don't give it away unnecessarily. For every share of business you're giving away profit and control. If someone wishes to receive a piece, they should earn it by providing you with something that is necessary and essential. Remember, it's always super easy to give away something, but almost impossible to get it back. 2. Fit and relationship. Quite frequently, we meet very capable people who will do wonderful things for our businesses. However, if the personality fit is not good, don't overlook that for skill and ability. Remember, once you add a partner, you're bound to that person through thick and thin, good and bad. Sounds like marriage again, doesn't it? So choose carefully. No matter how skillful a person is, if you don't want to work with that person, it doesn't do you much good. 3. Manage expectations. Many, if not most business breakups involve a mismatch of expectations. At the start, everyone is eager to work, to build. Plus, there isn't a lot of money to share, so it's easy to get along. But different people expect different things. And when business starts to take off, there will be friction and unmet expectations. They are not avoidable things entirely, but managing them from the start, you can avoid a lot of trouble. Have a clear understanding with all your partners, both ways, what you expect out of them and what they expect out of you and the business. Have them written down and memorialized as an agreement. It will help avoid a lot of problems down the road. Handshake deals are the cause of a lot of business breakups. You don't have to be a victim of it. Again, this is Dafan the ProfessorZ, guiding you on your journey to success, freedom, and satisfaction. Until next time, be successful.